Hi, my name is Priyanjana, and we are doing a very fun video today. We're going to do an unboxing, and it's sort of like a homecoming for me to YouTube because it has been years since I've posted on YouTube, and I want to post more regularly. And this is my, very humble attempt at starting again. There are very few brands which I really, really love because of the quality and the kind of clothing that they make. This clothing brand called The Key Story is one of those Instagram discoveries that I have loved a lot. And this was a very quick purchase. I know it's going to be autumn and winter now, but I purchased shorts from them and a cotton shorts, which is perfect for summer. I think I'm holding already. So, without any further ado, let's start with the unboxing of the same. One of the things I really like about the brand is how minimal their aesthetic is, their packaging, their brand story, the brand voice. Everything is very minimal and they focus completely on the quality of the products, nothing else, which speaks very loudly to me. So this is the shorts. I got like a very nice olive color short from Key Story. This costed me 500 rupees only during their sale because this was one of the last size that they had in their clearance sale. And this is what I got for myself. I'm super happy. This particular garment that I got is called their afternoon shorts, and it has a little note for me which says my name and all of the things thanking for purchasing from them from Team Key Story. And yeah, with this, I will finish my quick little unpacking or unboxing of the thing that I got on sale from this particular brand. But I also got two shirts previously, these two, which I wore to a very summer humid vacation, and I love them to bits, and I have been re-wearing them again and again. So I am definitely repurchasing from this particular brand for myself because they're superb in terms of quality and fit and everything else. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.